Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make toffee cookies. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and line baking sheets with parchment. Start warm by creaming room temperature butter with brown and granulated sugar until light, about 2 to 3 minutes. Add egg and vanilla, then sifted flour, baking soda, and salt. Fold in chopped toffee and a handful of chocolate chips. Scoop evenly and bake until edges are golden, then cool on racks. Make the dough forgiving by keeping ingredients measured and temperatures steady. Cream butter and sugars until airy, which traps tiny bubbles for lift. Add egg and vanilla, then mix dry ingredients just until combined to avoid toughness. Stir in toffee bits and optional nuts or oats for chew. Portion dough with a cookie scoop for uniform baking, and chill briefly if the kitchen is warm to preserve shape during baking. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing simple recipes. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice and enjoy a crisp, cool scent after a cookie run. It pairs surprisingly well with warm toffee aromas. I've found it keeps the drive home pleasant and light. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Timing is everything when baking cookies, so watch the first batch closely. Pull cookies when edges are golden and centers look slightly underbaked. Carryover heat finishes them. Cool on the pan 5 minutes, then transfer to a rack. For storage, separate layers with parchment to keep toffee from sticking. Freeze dough balls or baked cookies for quick treats later, and thaw at room temperature for the best texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.